Hey man, I'm just heading to the beach. You want to come?
Nah, man, I'm all good, thanks.
What, are you busy?
Nah.
You don't like the beach?
No, I love the beach.
Sunburn.
No.
Shrinkage.
No.
Oh. Is it the ever-present pressures of conforming to the crushing social demands of being physically pleasing to the opposite sex whilst trying not to come across as being too self-involved?
Nah. Well, I mean, yeah, obviously.
Hmm.
Seagulls.
What?
Seagulls.
Seagulls?
They're vicious, man.
Okay, we can go to the park if you want.
Oh. Nah, I'm fine just doing this, thank you.
Okay. See you, man.
Bye.